Alright guys, this is a test with the 1DX Mark II, still messing around with the settings, but we're going to go through a few of the LUTs. This time I'm shooting with a more of a neutral picture profile, I guess. Well, not even necessarily a picture profile, yeah, the picture profile is going to be shot more neutral. This is a custom C-log, I guess you would call it, but it's not really a log. It's just a picture profile. But we're gonna see how well it does with receiving some LUTs options in post to figure out if it can still recover that information in detail post. Because if it does, then it's great. Then we can just film flat like we are now and then apply that color in those different types of LUTs packages and tweaking to the color to get the image that we want. So yeah, hopefully it looks good. Like I said, filming at about 5600 Kelvin, 100% on this Falcon Eyes 28 TD, and no open window. Let me actually open my window real quick. I want to see if that makes a difference. So now I got my window open. I'm not sure if it's gonna really make a difference, but let's check the autofocus, make sure it's autofocusing pretty well. What I do like about this one is that this Sigma 18-35, if you shoot it in 4K, with it in 4K, it gets rid of that horrible, like, weird looking distortion. So it's somewhat usable, and the autofocus works really well as well. Can't really hear, it's pretty quiet being hooked directly up, but hopefully the Canon glass later on works even better. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is switch between the color profiles to find the best one that's going to let us manipulate some LUTs in post-production. So for now, this is the first one. This is the standard Canon profile. All right, this is part 2. This is the portrait profile. How do I look? And this is the third, the landscape profile. How does it look? And this is the fine detail profile. Hopefully it looks decent. And how does it look? And now we have the neutral profile. How does it look? Here we have the faithful color profile. How does it look? And this is the, I believe, the custom, one of the first custom logs. I believe it is the chromatic EOS HD log. How does it look? This is the third custom preset, the Cinema 1 option. Again, how does it look? Alright guys, this is the Vivid custom LUT, not a LUT. This is the Vivid custom log picture profile. And how does it look? And this is the Scarlet custom picture profile log. Again, how does it look? This is quite extensive, but it's important to see what custom picture profiles can do, not only while you're shooting regular, but how that log is going to translate into obviously the post-production and trying to figure out the colors. Right now we're trying to find the best colors with the flattest exposures. Like, you know, it's not the best lighting in this room. A lot better than earlier when I was testing it, but generally, can we use this camera and still get really good color even in the crappiest of lighting conditions? That's my ultimate goal.